and Sam fell asleep a little bit earlier than I wanted her to. It's only 2:35 a.m. and she's asleep. Come on, so I have a little shaving cream and tickle her nose with some hair to get her to
Hold on.
have a rude awakening. She's a really heavy sleeper.
She should last till this little one has little ones of her own. That's why we created new mobile super
Make it real foamy.
to help reduce wear, prevent sludge, and extend the life of your engine. New mobile super for long engine life. You get in the zone long before the race.
Oh no.
And it starts every morning with Gillette Fusion Pro Glide. Get your Gillette Fusion Pro Glide.
When you're a kid, you don't know much about housing markets. You don't know that home ownership builds communities. And you certainly don't know that owning a home contributes to higher self-esteem and better test scores.
Oh my god. I hate you.
We'll see you again next time. Penises.